By default, Google Sheets prints your data without those faint cell borders you see on screen, which can make a dense table hard to read on paper. In this video, you'll see how to turn grid lines on for printing, so your spreadsheet comes out with clear lines around every cell. We're starting in a spreadsheet that already has a sales records table filled in, ready to be printed. Open the File menu in the top toolbar to see the document options. The drop-down shows everything from creating a new sheet to downloading a copy, and the printing controls live at the bottom of this list. Select Print near the bottom of the menu. That takes you to the Print Settings page, where a preview of your document sits on the left and a settings sidebar appears on the right. If this walkthrough is helping you out, a quick like on the video really does make a difference. The sidebar groups your options into sections like the print range, paper size, and page orientation, but grid lines aren't in any of those. They live under the Formatting section, which controls how the sheet itself looks on the page, so expand that section next. Click the Formatting header in the sidebar to open it up. Once it expands, you'll see checkboxes for things like Show Grid Lines and Show Notes, which decide what extra details get printed. Make sure Show Grid Lines is ticked, since that's the setting that adds the cell borders to your printed copy. You can also tick Show Notes here if you want any cell notes included, but that's entirely optional. With the formatting set the way you want it, hit the blue Next button in the upper right corner. Your browser's print window now opens, and the preview on screen shows the table with grid lines clearly drawn around every cell. From here, you'd just pick your printer and confirm, and the sheet comes out with those lines included. So the whole trick is expanding formatting in the print settings and turning on Show Grid Lines before you print. Thanks for spending a minute with this one. If you'd like more quick spreadsheet fixes like this, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you around.